My Naija people don bring ogbonge bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened. The United States authority don come give wanted notice to arrest one Nigerian man wey be 48 years old wey im name be Olaleko Abimbola Olawunsi as they come put $25,000 reward to anybody wey go help them so they go fit arrest am. Say because im commit first-degree murder and also under 2-count charge say im beat one small pikin come wunjure the small pikin body. One South African man wey im name be Sabelo Butelzi wey court don come sen ten ce to life imprisonment on November 12, 2024 say because im kpai im wife wey im marry secretly. Na Nkadia Regional Court na im sen ten ce Butelzi 48 years old man to life imprisonment with 2 other people there wey all of them take join body. Dey kpai im wife wey her name be Ngobo and na from February 2020 na dis gbege take happen. They don swear in Senator Monday Okpebholo as the 6th civilian governor of Edo State, and on Tuesday wey be November 12, 2024 na im dey swear am in for inside Samuel Ogbomodia Stadium for Benin City wey be the headquarter of Edo State. The Abia State government don come announce free compulsory education to all the children dey wey dey for inside the state no matter their state of origin, and na starting from January 2025 from primary school go reach junior secondary school for inside all the public school wey dey for Abia State. For on top this video wey be say dem see this lecturer of AAU don come show fatherly love to im own students dem wey be say dem come out come at ten d im own lecture as im come share money take give all the students dem wey dey on ground. As the students dem come dey happy dey jubilate come dey hail am say na im do well pass. This Nigerian man don come dey call for help say im just do DNA test to come find out say e no be him be the biological father of im only son. As im come talk say im wife wey im don marry for 8 years dey knack kpekus with im best friend wey do best man for am on the day of im wedding. As im come find out say na dat im friend na im dey knack im wife kpekus and na im be the father of im only son.
Woman when I marry, when I put woman for your head, put money for your head, do marriage, do everything. My best friend is they sleep with the woman. So they give her belly. When they give her belly, I get the best my shame for meeting. The day of the marriage, you even got the marriage. That's the best man. So after the marriage, that's my best man. After the marriage, this boy still continue, so they sleep with my wife. So a good 8 years. Before God called to her, before they not catch them. When they catch them, where we carry them go, they deny. They say nothing like that. Before the woman come, say yes.
Data review for second quarter debt portfolio of the country wey National Bureau Statistics don come show say Nigeria dey owe 134.297 trillion naira for the second quarter of 2024 wey be June. This one come show say if they share the debt for inside Nigeria, each person go pay 619,000 naira. This Nigerian lady don come dey share her experience after wey she go cross express road for inside Oshodi, Lagos State, and she no come follow the pedestrian bridge as the Lagos State Environmental Sanitation officers wey be KAI don come catch her, but later they come leave her say because the officer wey catch am dey rough handle her well as she come dey explain say fear catch her say na im make her dey run, and this gbege happen on Tuesday, November 12, 2024.
Hey, listen to me. The minister, you are not supposed to call the road. You are supposed to. We don't listen to. I don't know. And this is now. You are a freak to somebody. You can go your way. Please.
No good at all. Came down from the bus, crossed to the other side, only for me to see a man. I thought this man was a tout because he wasn't dressed up. He wasn't wearing any of a uniform or anything. Then this man started running. You guys, I literally started running. I thought this man was about to rob me or assault me. Or my heart was literally in my mouth. I couldn't even think straight. Next thing, This man brought a card in front of my face and was talking about, oh, I'm not supposed to cross the road. How?
The former aide to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the former Osun State Governor Tinubu Aregbesola don come out come dey talk say the truth be say things don bad well for inside Nigeria, and na only few people na dey get rich, and the people wey dey get rich say that they reduce every day for inside Nigeria. Come dey talk say things not dey normal again o, and Nigeria don fail under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime.
You don't need to be a nuclear scientist to know that things are progressively getting bad. How? Smaller percentage of Nigerians are now prosperous. It's not as if there is no prosperity, but it's reducing and reducing. We will not be here discussing this if things are normal in Nigeria. We know, even those who have extremely better today know that things are not normal.
Sick people wey be patients and family people dem don come dey do an ugly protesting for UCH Ibadan, wey be the University College Hospital wey dey for inside Ibadan, Oyo State, on Monday, November 11, 2024. Say because dem no get light and water after 17 days, wey be say dem don dey for inside the hospital, and na because say the hospital never pay for NEPA bill, na im make dem take cut their light take comot.
People are written in pain. People are dying in the world. No electricity, no light. Kilo there.
This man wey carry white SUV car come go dey run one-way traffic as some Nigerian army come block am, come tell am say make him go back as him come dey delay. Na so the Nigerian army dey come provoke, come use something take break inside mirror before they come allow am take go. As plenty Nigerians don come dey talk say this kind character wey Nigerian army do for here say e no make sense. So why some other ones dey support Nigerian army? Say why the man go follow one-way traffic? The South Korea actor wey im name be Song Jae-rim don come kpai at the age of 39 years old as Ekolaba police come out come talk say na one of im friend see the actor for inside im house when im don already come kpai, as he come drop note come keep near am. As im family members don come out come dey talk say they go bury am on 14th of November 2024. The music director wey be Fred for inside Michigan Catholic Church for United States of America, they don pursue am take comot after wey they find out say im go do gay marriage, and na St. Francis Church for inside Traverse City na dey pursue am take comot for inside the church. Na Bishop News O'Clock, my name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.